Couple quiz. Save this for when you're with them. Who's more likely to win the lottery? Who's more likely to try stand-up comedy? Who's more likely to participate in viral challenges? Who's more likely to eat McDonald's for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Who's more likely to choke on their food from eating too fast? Who's more likely to wear the pants in the relationship? Who's more likely to be the healthy one? Who's more likely to have takeout instead of cooking? Who's more likely to meet a celebrity? Who's more likely to sneak snacks into movies?